Hi, everybody. This is Doug Bush from Doug Bush Visual Designs and the Drill Dojo. And joining me is Grant Duplechen.
So I am the founder of Dynamic Drill. It is a drone solution where during rehearsals or run-throughs, any cadence you want, pun intended, you can put a drone up in the sky, check out how clean your drill is. We can take the show that's already written, layer it on top of the live captured film, and send you reports back based on what you think might provide value to your program. So yeah, this program was really created by band members for band
Last
members.
week, we decided to partner together. And uh, any of my clients that decide to use Dynamic Drill get a deep discount.
So we're definitely very excited about this partnership. Obviously, as Doug mentioned, we're going to give you a deep discount for any referrals or customers that he can bring to us.
Again, check out the slide at the end of the video. More information, you can contact Grant. His information's on there. All right. Thanks for visiting with me. It's been
Thanks,
fantastic.
Doug. Thanks for having me.